Do you want a delicious chocolate chip cookie recipe that is also egg-free? Keep watching. Hi everyone, today we're going to be making delicious egg-free chocolate chip cookies. First, we'll preheat the oven to 375 and we'll add the dry ingredients in a large bowl. We'll add 2 1/4 cups flour and 2 teaspoons baking soda. Then we'll just mix it well. In our mixing bowl, we'll add 1 cup of room temperature butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix. Then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and our dry ingredients. Once everything is well mixed, we'll add in 1 package of chocolate chips and mix them into the cookie dough. Next, we'll make 1 to 2 inch round balls and place them on a cookie sheet. Bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy. These cookies taste just as good, if not better, than the traditional chocolate chip cookie recipe that requires eggs. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.